You've heard James say it a million times. Respect the Polygon. At Weather Call, we make the Polygon better. We call, text, or email you so you'll always know when you're in danger. No matter who you are, there's a Weather Call solution right for you. Check us out at weathercallservices.com.
It's the morning weather briefing. This is for Wednesday, the 24th day of April. This is James Spann. Got a front passing through the state today, but despite that, we think most places will stay dry. And again, for most communities, rain will not be an issue for at least the next 5 to 7 days with this ridge building in. Here's the upper air look this morning. We have a northwest flow aloft. And once again, a very dry air mass. We do note a few showers over parts of Tennessee along that front we talked about, that's south of Nashville. And as that moves into Alabama, it encounters a very dry air mass. So, again, I just don't think we see much in the way of rain today. Temperatures are mostly in the 50s across the state this morning. One of the colder spots, Gadsden, they've got 47. We've got 58 for Huntsville. Birmingham at 60, 50s elsewhere. Here's the watch warning map around the nation this morning. Got some frost and freeze issues up north. Red flag warnings for parts of New Mexico. Got a chance of severe storms later today and tonight for parts of West Texas and Oklahoma. Tomorrow, an enhanced risk of severe storms over parts of West Oklahoma, southern Kansas, and the eastern Texas panhandle. The broader risk running from the Rio Grande up into parts of the High Plains, the western High Plains. This is day 3, which is Friday. Got a risk of severe storms again from the Rio Grande up to near Des Moines. Let's keep going. This is day 4, which is Saturday. Have an enhanced risk over Oklahoma, including Oklahoma City, into parts of Kansas, and extreme North Texas around Wichita Falls. The broader risk running from near Dallas-Fort Worth and Waco up to near Green Bay, Wisconsin. And on Sunday, we have a risk of severe storms from northeastern Texas up into parts of southern Wisconsin. But all of this stays well to the west and north of Alabama as the ridge holds. Here's a look at the rain for the next 7 days. The bigger numbers west of the state, parts of Arkansas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and Missouri, and just not a lot here. This is the rain valid through Wednesday morning of next week. And for most locations, under a quarter inch, maybe a half inch near the Mississippi state line. But the bigger rains again off to the west. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 06Z run valid today at 4. Again, we have a northwest flow aloft, and there is a weak front that will be drifting through here. We'll check the high-resolution HER, and you can see the front is basically inactive. The front by evening should be just south of Birmingham, but with no moisture, it's just hard to get rain. But having said that, there could be a small isolated shower somewhere this evening. We'll call it partly sunny with highs mostly in the mid to upper 70s today. Tomorrow, the front will pretty much begin to drift north as a warm front, but again, with no moisture. The models continue to back off on the chance of rain tomorrow. We'll still mention isolated showers, but it sure looks like the chance of any one spot getting wet tomorrow is down to about 15 to 20%. Partly sunny with low 80s. This is Friday. Got a deep surface low that's over Nebraska, south and east of that. A good chance we'll see severe storms, but around here, the ridge builds. And again, could there be a shower somewhere Friday afternoon or Friday evening? Yes, but the chance of any one spot getting a shower is only 10%. And typically when it's that low, we don't mention that. And the high Friday should be in the low 80s. And that's the idea for the weekend. This is Saturday, very warm. Highs 80 to 85, partly sunny, a very small chance of a shower, and the same thing on Sunday. And another surface low is over Iowa, and again, south and east of that, a chance of severe storms, but for Alabama, we're just basically warm and dry. So the bottom line is, we just don't see a lot of rain here through the weekend. Now, next week, this is Monday, a weakening surface front will be coming in here, and that might push a band of showers into the northwestern corner of the state late in the day or Monday night. And then Tuesday, the front drifts in here and stalls out. There's a ridge. There's no upper support, but again, there could be a few scattered showers about. So Late Monday, Monday night, Tuesday of next week, some chance of showers. And a week from today, this is Wednesday, the 1st of May. Again, the ridge in place, and that just looks warm and dry. Let's go out 10 days. This is Friday of next week, May 3rd. Same story. Trough in the west, ridge here in the deep south. And again, maybe a few spotty showers about over North Alabama, but just not much happening. So again, like recent days, we see no high-impact weather event here. Flooding, severe storms at least for the next 7 to 10 days, and just not a lot of rain. This is rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble between now and the 9th of May, and the mean is between 1/2 and 1 inch. That's a very low number for this time of the year. Keep in mind our tornado season runs through the end of May. Temperatures warming up. We've got mid-70s today, then 80s, highs between 80 and 85 for tomorrow, Friday, and the weekend, and much of next week. And you can see the NBM, the National Blend of Models, spitting out 87 for Birmingham toward the end of next week. Summertime getting close, and the latest 8 to 14-day guidance. This is May 1st through May 7th. Much of the contiguous United States, including the Deep South, with temperatures above average. So did you look up last night? Had the full pink moon. That doesn't mean the moon was pink, but we had an absolutely clear sky, giving folks all across the state and the region a good chance of seeing that big full moon that was taken down on the Alabama Gulf Coast last night. But moon gazers, it was a marvelous evening. All right, so a few notes on what's going to happen the next few days. Today I'm going to be at Tarrant Intermediate School for a weather program there. Then tomorrow I'm going to be at Center Elementary School in Cherokee County for a weather program. And then tomorrow evening, we're going to be doing a weather radio programming event in Fultondale at Lowe's, right on Walker Chapel Road, right off I-65. Very easy access. So if you need us to check your weather radio, and everybody needs one, that's the baseline. If you want us to check it to be sure it's programmed properly, bring it by. If you need one, you can buy one there. We'll program it on the spot. So Lowe's in Fultondale tomorrow evening between 4 and 6:30. And then after that, I'll run down to The Club up on Red Mountain to MC the Alabama AGC Build South Awards. That's the big contractors banquet. Been doing that for many years. Friday, big in Homewood, Trinity CDC, the Child Development Center, Trinity United Methodist Church. And then don't forget, we're going to be in Fayette for a big day on Saturday. Here's the deal. It's a book signing and a bonus. Saturday morning at 9 o'clock, I'll be doing a mini storm spotter session and a little bit on weather safety. So if you want to hear the storm spotter talk, come at 9 o'clock. And listen, we need more. We don't have enough in this state. So we'd love to see you at 9, but if you can't make it, that's fine. We'll be there from 10 until noon with the standard book signing, where we'll have all the hats, shirts, books, a lot of fun stuff. We have such a great time, and this is going to be at the Fayette Civic Center Saturday. So hopefully a lot of you folks in Fayette will come by and see us. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on TV this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.